Very good morning, students. Welcome back to Mohan Rao Maths videos. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 12, Heron's formula from 9th class. In this part 1 video, I am going to derive the Heron's formula, which is area of triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. A, b, c are nothing but the sides of the triangle. Let us start the video. See children, I already told you we are going to prove area of triangle is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Here a, b, c are the three sides of the triangle. So when the three sides of the triangle, we use this formula which is given by the great mathematician Heron. So how to derive this? Let us have a look in our figure. Here you just draw a perpendicular from B to its opposite side AC. Let us suppose BD perpendicular to AC, and you just take AD is equal to X. As AC is B, we took AD is X, so DC is equal to B minus X. Let this BD be H. Now, in this triangle ABC, by drawing perpendicular BD, we got two triangles. One is BDA, other one is BDC. First of all, you take triangle BDA. For your convenience, I am going to draw here separately. That is BDA. This is 90 degrees. AD is X, AB is C, BD is H. In this right angle triangle, I am going to find out the value of H. Here, as it is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. What the Pythagoras theorem is? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So you can write c square is equal to h square plus x square. That is from Pythagoras theorem. From this equation, we can write h square is equal to c square minus x square. Therefore, h is equal to under root c square minus x square. Take it as equation 1. Now, coming to the second triangle BDC. Here also, for my convenience, I am going to draw the second triangle separately. That is BDC. Again it is 90 degrees. This is A, this is H, this is B minus X. In this right angle triangle also, I am going to find out H value again. For that, again I can apply Pythagoras theorem here also. So here the Pythagoras theorem is A square is equal to H square plus B minus X whole square. From this, you can write h square is equal to a square minus of b minus x whole square. Then h is equal to root of a square minus b minus x whole square. Let it be equation 2. Now, from 1 and 2, if you observe, their left hand sides are equal. Then obviously we can equate their right hand sides also. So I can write from 1 and 2 their right hand sides. In the first equation, root of c square minus x square is equal to, in the second equation right side is a square minus of b minus x whole square. Both sides we can eliminate the square roots by squaring on both sides. Then these two square roots will be eliminated. Then here c square minus x square equal to here a square minus b minus x whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. You know a minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then this b minus x whole square will be b square plus x square minus 2bx. Now c square minus x square is equal to a square. If you remove this bracket, symbols will be changed because before this bracket minus is there. So it will be minus b square minus x square plus 2bx. On left side, on the both sides of this equation, these both gets cancelled. Then from this equation I can write 2bx is equal to c square minus a square plus b square. Therefore x is equal to c square minus a square plus b square by 2b. Now using this x value, I am going to find out the value of h from first equation or second equation. It's better to take first equation. So first of all, take the first equation. H is equal to root of c square minus x square. In this x place, you substitute c square minus a square plus b square by 2b. Then it will be root of c square minus x square is nothing but c square minus a square plus b square by 2b whole square. Then square root of this will be c square minus, you apply the whole square for the both numerator and denominator. Then that will be c square minus a square plus b square whole square by 4b square. Here, if you simplify this, you will get root of 4b square into c square, 4b square c square, minus of c square minus a square plus b square whole square by 4b square. Now this is the previous step. In this I am going to write 4b square c square as 2bc whole square minus c square minus a square plus b square whole square by, for 4b square if you apply square root, it will be 2b. Then this by 2b can be written as 1 by 2b into root of, these both are in the form of a square minus b square. So you can write a plus b into a minus b, nothing but a plus b, 2bc plus c square minus a square plus b square into a minus b, then 2bc minus b minus of this, then it will be minus c square plus a square minus b square. Next, 1 by 2b into root of this b square plus c square plus 2bc, you write b plus c whole square minus a square. And here also you write a square, this minus b square minus c square plus 2bc, you can write minus of b minus c whole square. Next, 1 by 2b into square root, again a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. Then b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a. Again a square minus b square. So a plus b minus c into a minus b plus c. Next, 1 by 2b into square root of, this is a plus b plus c. Already in the formula I told you S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, nothing but semi perimeter of the triangle. Then 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. So in the place of a plus b plus c, I can write 2s. This b plus c minus a, I can write 2s minus 2a, because 2s is a plus b plus c, minus 2a means minus a will come. So this a plus b minus c, I can write 2s minus 2c. This b plus c, this a plus c minus b, I can write 2s minus 2b. Next, 1 by 2b into square root. In these three factors, you take 2 as a common factor. Here 1, 2, here 1, 2, here 1, 2. So overall 2 into 2 into 2, 8, and this is one more 2. 8 into 2, 16 into s into, after taking 2 as a common factor from these three brackets, you will have s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, which I wrote in a proper order. Then 1 by 2b into, for 16 square root you will get 4, and the remaining will be under root. That is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This again you can cancel 2 2's, then finally you will get 2 by b into root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. For your kind information, this simplified value we got, which is equal to height, once you can see. Yes, for height, h is equal to, we got up to here. Now immediately I am going to find out area of triangle. See children, in this figure, area of triangle, you use half BH, half base is nothing but B, height is nothing but H. So area of triangle is half BH. I told you already, half into base is B only, H, height we got this much, that is 2 by B into root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. B, 2 gets cancelled. Then finally you have root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, which is required formula, which is called HERON'S formula. When the three sides are known, nothing but the three sides a, b, c, s is a plus b plus c by 2 semi perimeter, hence proved. Thank you very much.